I'm really not sure who this person is. Either you open your video so we know who you are, or in another 5 minutes, you change the name of your display. If that is not happening, we'll have to remove you because we do not know who is this person. The ID is showing as 29052020. Now, I really don't know who that person is. Please open up your video so we identify you. Otherwise, we'll be looking to remove you from the meeting. So sorry about that. Okay. So that's the first thing I wanted to tell everyone, that I want you, either you nominate yourself, just write an email to us saying that, okay, fine, I would like to be the PTA member for nursery. Or if we have many parents who have nominated, we will make a video and show you that we are making a chit. We are putting it into the bowl and we will, take one chit out of that, and then we'll open it up and we'll see if that person is going to be the PTA member. The second thing is about the timing. The current timing that we have is okay. All right. 295. Okay, you got your video up. Okay, so I know who you are. So the current timing is 3:30 in the afternoon, and there were certain permutations and combinations based on which we had kept that timing. However, many parents have come up to us and told us that they are not comfortable with that timing because children are typically feeling sleepy in that timing. अब बच्चे ही सोने वाले हैं तो फिर वो टाइमिंग सही नहीं है. So most of the parents except for two parents have been comfortable with the morning timing of 11:30. Okay, I have the names of all the parents who are comfortable with that timing. So the parents who have said that they are fine with the morning timing is Bhairav, Khushi, Mrunal, Tanishka, Yuvan, Aradhya, Sanvi, Aryaman. 1 minute, I have one more file. Vaishnavi and Arhan. All these people are comfortable with the morning timing. So we are only left with two people who are not comfortable with the morning timing. Now, I will look to understand personally with those parents why they are not comfortable with the morning timings. Because if almost 90% of the parents are comfortable with the timing of 11:30 in the morning, incidentally, we are forced to do that. However, I will still make a call to these two parents who are not comfortable with that timing to understand what exactly is the issue, and then we will finalize. Before we finalize, we will definitely give you a leads up time. If we are looking to make this timing from the coming Monday onwards, by today evening, you will get a confirmation from us. If it is not from the coming Monday, then we will always give you 2 to 3 days lead time. Okay, so you're also adjusting your day schedule, because so far we've all been adjusting our schedule as per the 3:30 timing. Now all of us have to rearrange ourselves as per the morning timing. So it will take about 48 to 72 hours for us to do that. So if that's how it's going to be, then fair enough. So we will give everybody a timing of at least 2 to 3 days to make an adjustment. If you want us to extend it by another week, just feel free to write to us. It's just 1 week. We can always do that. So we'll try and keep it as convenient and comfortable for children as much as it is possible. Okay. Now, these are the two things that we as a school wanted to share. I will open up the mic to anybody who raises your finger and says that you want to say something. So we can all speak one by one. Otherwise, if I open the mic for everyone, it will just become a chaos. So if anybody has something to say, share, feedback, anything that we even have to improve upon, feel free, raise your hand, and the mic is all yours. You can start talking. Anybody, जिसको भी अगर कुछ भी शेयर करना है, कोई फीडबैक देना है, कोई सजेशन देना है, कोई इम्प्रूवमेंट एरियाज है, एनीवन दैट यू थिंक नहीं ये जो एक्टिविटी आप रोज कर रहे हैं ये सही नहीं हो रहा है, कुछ चेंज करिए, तो आप बिंदास बिल्कुल बेझिझक हमको बताइए. वी विल लुक टू मेक दैट चेंज. Anybody who has something to share, you will have to just raise your finger right in front of the camera so I can see it. Anybody? Tanishka, you want to say something? I can see you raise your finger. Tanishka, you want to say something? Okay, I'll open the mic for Tanishka. At least one child should talk. We should be able to hear kids. Hi, Tanishka. How are you? Yeah. How are you? I am fine, Tanu. How are you? हमको हग्जी करके कितने दिन हो गए तनु, है ना? Oh no, I know, so long. पता नहीं कब होने वाला है. Oh हो.
Actually, she is entering the class. The one thing I just want to say, sometimes no, she keeps silent, but like all the teachers are excellent. They are doing very great job. Like every time, they try to communicate with each and every child. So that's very good. So hats off to the all.
Thank you. Meenal teacher, Saili teacher, Saida teacher, it all is for you. It's all your way. सब आपकी मेहनत है. Excellent. Thank you so much. Tanishka ki mummy, thank you so much. Any other parent who would like to share कोई feedback, कोई suggestion, कोई improvement, anything? Please raise your finger so I know I have to flick between screens. If I have missed anybody, then at least write in the Zoom chat so I have not missed anyone. Anybody who wants to say something? Hi Pavika. Hi Sanvi. Hi Arhan. Hello. Hi Vaishnavi. Anyone who wants to share something, who wants to say something? Any feedback that you have? Okay, okay, looks like, oh, okay, Hridan's mom is saying something. Yes. Yes, doctor, good morning. I hope you're doing fine. I mean, doctors in this situation, hats off to you. Yes, doctor,
No,
any
I'm still a full-time housewife and mother.
Okay, so your clinic hasn't started yet. Oh dear. Okay.
No, because it's more risky for a ENT surgeon, so I have not yet started.
Okay. All right. Yes, doctor, you have something to share.
If the same activity goes on for long period of time, basically Ridan, he gets bored, and many children I have seen. So if you can change the activities in a more like speed, like more activities in one session. Otherwise, they just like if his turn is over. For example, if singing a poem, then he is, I want to move out, I want to eat something, or I want to do something else. So if you can handle this.
Okay. All right. Point taken, point noted. Padma Jiji, is there anything that you want to share on this note? I have just tried to unmute you. Yes. I have noted down your point. We will definitely work towards that, doctor. Thank you for that feedback.
Good morning. Good morning, parents. Good morning, children, and good morning, teachers. I have also noted down this online sessions online. So teachers are actually getting used to online sessions, doctor. So we are trying to change our plan. As we were following for 3-4 years, teachers are also doing it in the same way so that children learn by repeating it number of times. But yes, your insights have been taken, and we will try to mold it a little, shape it a little, so that children can enjoy it in their way and online session. Thanks for your insight, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, doctor. Anybody else that you would like to say something, share something? We will definitely put in more and more activities. If you have come across some activities that you think your child is enjoying and you would like to share it with us, go ahead, share it with us. And we would like to include it into our curriculum as well. No issues with that. Anyone else who would like to say something? Okay. Any individual feedback that you're looking for, or if anything in particular that you are looking for around your child in specific? Is there something on that sort that you want to talk about? Anybody? No. Okay, yes, Pavika's mother has something to say. Yes, Pavika's mother, I have opened up your mic. Yes.
Yeah, hi.
Good morning. Good morning.
Actually,
Hats off to you
rhyme
too. Being a banking employee, you have to go to work every day. So thanks to people like you. Hats off to you. That's really an amazing job. Thanks.
Thank you so much for the appreciation. The point what I have observed is like the nursery rhymes. This part is little boring. This becomes little boring for Bhavika especially. In that period, she just goes away from the laptop. She little bit she less enjoy because she can't see anything. Because normally what happens, there should be some music or some kind of thing she can see. But in this situation, she has to just see the teacher and the other kids, and most of the kids they also like some kids are enjoying, some kids are going somewhere else. So this kind of distraction happens especially when the teacher is reciting the poems. So is it something where what we can add little bit of video or music, is it possible, so that you can think about it?
Okay, sure, sure. Noted
Right.
it down. Have noted
Thank
it down.
you. Thank you, Pavika's mom, for your feedback. We would really take it a positive feedback and try to shape our curriculum. Yes, we have also noticed that children find it difficult when teacher is saying. Okay, to build vocabulary, the intention behind reciting poem and number of time is to enrich their vocabulary and understanding. But yes, we will put it in a video form. We will give it a music so that children can listen to it and they can recite along. We will take it and we will try to implement and execute as early as possible. Thank you so much.
Sure.
Thank
Taken
you.
down. I have also noted it down. We will see how we can include this as soon as we can. I can see that Aradhya's mom and Tanishka's mom is also looking to say something. I'll open Tanishka's mom's mic. Yes, ma'am. Please go ahead.
Yeah, actually, what I feel, see, sometimes in online session, if we put music now, so baby will not going to concentrate. So what I feel like the teachers are doing now, they are telling the points and by side the childrens are doing. I think that would be much better because sometimes I see Tanishka when the video is going on, she's not listening or watching it properly. She's doing at that time only when the teachers is saying something, all the children are doing something. So I think video is not a good thing according to me. So I don't know about the others, but Tanishka is not very much, interested in listening the watching the video. Rather than she's very much actively do whatever the teachers are doing activity session. She's enjoying the session very when it comes to activity.
Okay, I think we basically need to have a healthy mix of the two and also research into the content to see what exactly we are showing in the video. So yes, feedback taken. Yes, we need to have a healthy mix of two. In fact, in the coming days, we have already included some videos. We are only waiting to see how children are going to respond to that. Because not all, sometimes, when we are looking for some videos which are for little children, they are so slow that it doesn't seem to entertain us also. So we are trying to see some videos that are peppy, that are attractive and colorful. So yes, we are doing some research and feedback taken. We understand we need to keep a healthy mix of two. We will do that. We will do that. Aradhya's mom, you are having something that you want to say.
Yes, ma'am. First of all, I would like to appreciate your efforts which you all are putting. Special thanks to Meenal ma'am, Saili ma'am, and Saida ma'am. They are putting so much of efforts. I'm attending all their classes, and I can see that how much of energy and enthusiasm they are putting in all their classes. But talking about Aradhya, she is not sitting at one place. As she knows all the rhymes, she knows 1, 2, 3, 4, she know ABCD. But when I have to make her sit at one place, she is just running here and there and just jumping here and there. But I can just assure you, her one ear is always on one or the other teacher. She is listening everything, and after the class she would recite all those things, but in the class she is just running here and there, jumping here and there. Saili ma'am and Meenal ma'am would always call her that Aradhya, Aradhya. She would not look at them also. But I see, I am also trying, I'm also putting my efforts from my side to make her sit. I have done all arrangements for her, but see, every child is different.
Yes, absolutely.
But I would definitely say you all are putting lots of efforts, And recently, Siley ma'am had introduced one rhyme that on YouTube, if you happy and you know, clap your hands. That video was very interesting for her. She was running here and there, and she come back, attended that. Yesterday, Meenal ma'am was taking that red color thing. She arranged everything on her table. But before class, she just ran here. So please give us also time to adjust with the.
See, I am going to say that hats off to parents who have actually taken up on themselves as this initiative to make sure that nothing will be changed just because of this environmental situation. We would like to thank parents like you that you are willing to be there and you're making sure that yes, I'm going to do this for my child. And that's a very big thing for us as teachers, you know. So that's the first thing I will really mention here. Now, some children are not very comfortable sitting in one place. That we have seen in a classroom as well, but they are very good auditory learners. So when they're good auditory learners, we just want to capitalize on that part of the learning system. And that is why you will see that in our classroom there will be a mix of visual learning, auditory learning, kinesthetic learning, because you don't know every child's learning system. So everything has to be included for all the topics. So this red color topic that we are currently doing, the kinesthetic learning is with them bringing their things in the classroom. The visual learning is what the teacher is showing to them. The auditory learning is what the poems the teacher is going to recite or show on put as music. So we don't know which one, and this kind of learning pattern keeps switching between children. Some days they are auditory, some days they are visual, and some days they stick to something for a very long time and suddenly one day they change. So we have to give that time and patience, especially in these ages until the age of 5, because they are still constantly exploring their learning methodology. But then yes, hats off to parents sitting with them and getting them through this time. That is a very big challenge. We personally know that, and we can empathize with you on that. That it is not an easy task to get them to sit with you and do. But yes, thanks. We will still take this feedback of yours. I have noted this down. I have noted exactly what you have said. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes, Vaishnavi is yes.
अनम्यूट टेस्ट मॅडम.
कर दिया आंटी, कर दिया.
हा, थोडासा हिंदी मध्ये पाया.
हिंदी मध्ये बोलायचं का?
थोडं.
ओके. अभी तक तो टीचर्स को पेरेंट्स बोल रहे हैं कि उन्होंने अच्छा किया है, काफी कुछ इंक्लूड कर रहे हैं. आंटी अगर आपको भी कुछ भी बोलना है तो आप जरूर बोलिए आंटी. आप तो हम सबसे बुजुर्ग है, आपका सारा फीडबैक हम इंक्लूड करेंगे. आप प्लीज शेयर करिए आपका क्या एक्सपीरियंस है. आप मराठी में बोल सकते हैं. हाँ, मराठी में बोलिए, चलेगा, हम समझ सकते हैं मराठी.
हा, काय अंदुगर काय जे बोलत होते ते तुम्ही मला काय कळलं ना, काय थोडंसं काय कळलं शब्द. आप जे बोल रहे थे वो कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा था पहला, इसीलिए बोल रहे कि थोड़ा सा हिंदी में बोल दो कि मेरे को थोड़ा समझ में आ जाएगा. और वैष्णवी की मम्मी थोड़ी बिजी है, इसीलिए 10 मिनट के लिए, तब तक तो थोड़ा सा हिंदी बोल दो, बाकी का वो आएगी तब.
ओके. तो मैं आपको बता देती हूँ कि अभी तक पेरेंट्स ने क्या बताया है. कुछ पेरेंट्स ने बोला है कि थोड़ा एक्टिविटीज इंक्रीज करिए, थोड़ा और ज्यादा बच्चे इन्वॉल्व हो, वो भी उसमें मिल के काम करे, ऐसा कुछ करिए. फिर कहा है कि थोड़ा सा बच्चों को उनके स्क्रीन में कुछ पोएम्स दिखे, जहाँ पे कुछ कलर्स हो, कोई कूद रहे हो, कोई नाच रहे हो, ऐसे कुछ वीडियोस हो. और ऐसा भी हो कि टीचर बैठ के बता रही है कि इस पोएट्री का शब्द क्या है, उसका उच्चारण क्या है, वो भी बहुत जरूरी है. तो हमने कहा है कि हम इन दोनों चीजों को अच्छे से मिक्स करने जैसा प्लान बनाएंगे. उसके लिए थोड़ा सा समय चाहिए. हम भी ये पूरा नया प्लेटफॉर्म हमने कैसे उसको डिलीवर करना है, ये सब हमने सीख लिया है. बट ये छोटे बच्चे हैं, इनके लिए भी ये सब कुछ नया है. तो हम भी जैसे इनको चाहिए वैसे हम क्लास में चेंजेस करते जाएंगे. फिर बोला है कि कुछ नया राइम्स लेके आए और थोड़ा और म्यूजिक इंक्लूड करे क्लास में. ठीक है, हम वो सब करेंगे. अभी तक ये सारा डिस्कशन हुआ है आंटी.
हाँ, वही थोड़ा समझ में आ रहा था.
जो भी डिस्कशन हुआ है आंटी, हम इन सबको ईमेल में डाल के सारे पेरेंट्स को भेजेंगे। हाँ, ओके ओके,
ठीक है,
थैंक यू,
चलेगा।
थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
ओके, थोड़ा थोड़ा हिंदी में बोल दिया तो मेरे को थोड़ा समझ में आ जाएगा।
ओके,
ज्यादा
ओके,
इंग्लिश में नहीं जमता है मेरे को।
कोई बात नहीं आंटी, कोई बात नहीं,
ठीक
जैसे
है,
आपको ठीक
चलता है।
लगे, आप जैसे बोले।
थैंक यू।
थैंक यू आंटी। और कोई पेरेंट्स जिनको
Thank you.
कुछ शेयर करना है, जिनको कुछ कहना है? एनी अदर पेरेंट? और कोई पेरेंट्स? मृणाल की मम्मी है, अरहान के पापा है, आर्यमन के पापा है, सानवी की मम्मी, एनीबॉडी एल्स? और किसी को कुछ शेयर करना है, कुछ बताना है? एनी इम्प्रूवमेंट जो आपको चाहिए कि हम करें क्लास में, और कुछ आइडियाज हैं? नहीं? पद्मा टीचर, आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? एक मिनट।
मैं तो यही कहना चाहूंगी कि भाई टीचर्स से ज्यादा तो पेरेंट्स हैव बीन सो पेशेंटली टेकिंग केयर ऑफ दीज चिल्ड्रन. Of course, we are missing our children. We are missing hugging them. We are missing holding them tight. We are missing appreciating them.
पद्मा
But
टीचर,
hats off to parents.
पद्मा टीचर हिंदी में बोलिए।
पेरेंट्स के मुझे शाबाशी उन पेरेंट्स को, ये सारे पेरेंट्स को देना है जो एकदम पेशेंटली ध्यान से अपने बच्चों के साथ बैठते हैं, शांति से बैठते हैं, उनको हमारे जगह पर खुद पढ़ाना नहीं सिखा रहे हैं, बस हमारे सुनो, बस उनका यही काम है कि बच्चों को लेकर बैठना है, तो वो लोग बच्चों को लेकर बैठ रहे हैं, उनको बोल रहे हैं सुनो, पकड़ पकड़ के ला रहे हैं, पेशेंस रख रहे हैं, गुस्सा नहीं हो रहे। ये मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है, वरना अगर पेरेंट्स टीचर बन जाता है तो उसको गुस्सा जल्दी आता है, पर ये कोई भी पेरेंट्स ऐसा नहीं कर रहा है। इस बात की मैं तारीफ करना चाहूंगी, और मैं ये कहूंगी कि बस ऐसा ही रखिए, आपके बच्चे सीखेंगे। बड़ी जिंदगी है, बहुत कुछ सीखना है, बहुत कुछ देखना है। एक वायरस क्या, न जाने कितने वायरस आएंगे, इन सब से हमको लड़कर आगे बढ़ना है। तो आप बस इसे ही पेशेंस लेवल हाई रखिए, बच्चों को प्यार कीजिए, सीखने का काम हमारा। हाँ, आपके ऐसे फीडबैक हमारे लिए बहुत मायने रखते हैं, क्योंकि हमको भी समझ में आता है कि यार ऑन द क्लास कैसे होता है, ऑनलाइन कैसे होता है, बच्चे क्या चैलेंजेस फेस करते हैं। तो मैक्सिमम बच्चे जिस लेवल में और जिस मेथोडोलॉजी में मिलना चाहेंगे या घुल मिल जाते हैं, वैसा हम करने की कोशिश करेंगे। हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव भी यही है आपके साथ पीटीएम रखने का, कि भाई आपका बच्चा कैसे फील कर रहा है, आपके बच्चे के या आप कैसे फील कर रहे हो इस बात को। तो ये जानकर अच्छा लगा कि टीचर्स आर ऑल्सो डूइंग गुड जॉब, टीचर्स अच्छे काम कर रहे हैं, ये जानकर अच्छा लगा कि बच्चे एंजॉय करते हैं, और ये जानकर भी अच्छा लगा कि पेरेंट्स भी ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं कि क्या हो रहा है, बच्चे के क्या क्या चैलेंजेस है। और हम इस पर जरूर काम करेंगे, ये हमारा वादा है, और आपको दिखेगा कि हम इस पे बैलेंस पे। बट ये जो होता है ना, जैसे आम आता है और पकने तक जो टाइम होता है, पकने का टाइम, वो थोड़ा सा विंडो पीरियड होता है, तो वो थोड़ा टाइम आप हमको दीजिए, हम जल्दी से अपने आप को इम्प्रोवाइज करके, ठीक करके, बच्चा जैसा ले सके वैसा बनाने की कोशिश करें। थैंक यू पेरेंट्स, मोर अप्रिसिएशन गोज टू यू ऑल। आप लोगों को मेरी तरफ से बहुत 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 धन्यवाद कि आप लोग एक अच्छे टीचर बन रहे हो मम्मी के साथ। थैंक यू।
Okay, a little thing that we would like to celebrate today. I have just done an unmute to everyone. Can we all please sing for Meenal teacher? It's her birthday today. Please. If your children are around, please bring them over. If your children are around, please bring them over. Let's sing for Meenal teacher. It's her birthday today.
हैप्पी बर्थडे बोलेंगे? एक मिनट मैं आपको स्पीच लगाती हूँ।
Yeah, all kids are there. Everybody, yes.
Happy birthday.
1, 2, 3.
Mute
Start.
Kavita.
I have unmuted everyone. Yes. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, start. Happy birthday to you.
May God bless you.
Happy birthday,
dear Meenal teacher. Happy Happy birthday to you.
May God bless you.
May God bless
May God bless you, Meenal teacher.
May God bless you.
Happy birthday to you.
Samantha, ba?
Happy birthday, teacher.
Happy birthday, teacher. Manna.
और जोर से, और जोर से.
Happy birthday, man. Happy birthday.
Yes, Ridu, thank you. A flying wish for you all.
Once the school opens, बोलो. अच्छे से बोलो. Once the school opens. स्कूल खुलने के बाद हमें केक चाहिए.
Thank you so much, Kavita ma'am. Thank you so much, Gigi. Thank you, parents.
Happy birthday.
That was the cutest birthday wish. That was really so
The
cute.
best
So
birthday.
cute.
It's Meenal teacher's birthday.
Yes, Gigi.
I wish I was there. That's nice.
All right.
You.
So we will summarize now, and we'll just remember that I'm looking for a mail from parents nominating yourself for the PTA member position. जो भी PTA member बनना चाहता है, प्लीज हमको ईमेल करिए so we can note it down. अगर एक से ज्यादा नॉमिनेशंस आते हैं तो हम चिट बना के उसमें से एक निकालेंगे और उस प्रोसेस का वीडियो सबको जरूर भेजेंगे, so you are sure that it was an impartial way of choosing the PTA member. Otherwise आप हमको, पद्मा टीचर को, टीचर्स को कभी भी रीच आउट कर सकते हैं. एनी इश्यूज ऑलवेज वी आर अवेलेबल. हमारा फोन नंबर्स आप सबके पास है. एंड अबाउट द टाइमिंग, looks like we will be shifting to 11:30, but we have two parents with whom I need to speak with and figure out how it can be worked out. So please मुझे थोड़ा सा time दीजिए. By today we will let you know what will be the plan. I hope that's fine. And thank you very much, teachers. Thank you very much, Padma Jiji. Thank you to all
Thank you,
the
Kavita.
parents
Thank
and
you all,
children.
parents.
Love you all.
Thank you, Kavita.
Love you.
Thank you.
Yes, bye.
See you.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.